Welcome to Microsoft Copilot, a 30-day professional transformation roadmap. This video will guide you on how to learn to use Copilot to code, automate, and transform your work. Embrace the vibe coding mindset. You don't need to know code. Simply write what you want in natural language, and the AI will generate the complex output, effectively building software with words. This is your 30-day roadmap. It starts with the foundation, moves to content and communication, then data and logic, and finally, vibe coding software to complete your professional transformation. For clear results, treat the AI as a partner. A perfect prompt has 4 components: ask, audience, format, and tone, which together generate the desired output. Days 8 to 14 focus on mastering content. In any Microsoft 365 app, you find the Copilot icon and type a prompt. Copilot drafts documents, summarizes emails, and handles the typing, so you focus on ideas. Copilot helps you instantly visualize ideas. By typing a simple sentence, you can transform text files into full slide decks, complete with content, visuals, and images. From days 15 to 21, you'll master data and logic without math. Ask Copilot questions about your data, and it will analyze it, build charts, and create formulas, allowing you to easily spot business trends. Days 22 to 30 are dedicated to vibe coding software. Write what you want in plain English. GitHub Copilot suggests the code in gray text. Press Tab to accept the code and quickly build applications. Copilot also acts as your personal coding tutor. Highlight any text, and Copilot will explain the code to you, translating complex functions back into plain English so you never feel lost. With Copilot Studio, you can build custom AI agents, define the agent's role, and provide public website URLs for knowledge. The agent then answers questions based on these websites, all without writing code. The Copilot ecosystem consists of 3 main parts: Microsoft 365, Copilot for everyday tasks, Copilot Studio for building custom agents, and GitHub Copilot for vibe coding software. Utilize the feedback loop: prompt, draft, save, and review. Pick repeatable tasks, and the AI will create a draft. Review, adjust the facts and tone, save the successful prompts, and share them with your team. Your transformation is complete. English is now your programming language. You command the software, automate tasks, and are a vibe coder. Start building today.